The local boys been here. I'm gonna just name some of them right now. Out of Brigantine, Ryan Cook, Mr. Moore, Mr. Warner, and Margate, Christione, Jenkins. All these guys are professional contractors. Welcome to Everyday Plumbing, the good, the bad, the ugly, with Chuck Barron. Hey guys, good morning. Chuck Barron here, Barron Plumbing out of Atlantic City. You might see our trucks riding around town, local area here, Atlantic City. We were working in Margate yesterday, and I had to come out and talk about this a little bit. We went to a gentleman's house who had a renovation done and had the water clog up his new lines from turning the water main on and off. Supposed to be a pro plumber. I'm sure he was, because it has happened to me. You can be really careful what you do when you turn that water on and off real slow, or when you turn it back on, you got to do it real slow so you don't shock the pipes. And what complicates that is if you have a galvanized water line, which they're about to change all in New Jersey, Margate, Ventnor, Brigantine, that you shock that rust, and that rust will come and clog up your fixtures, reduce water pressure, give you brown water, all the above. So we just happened to be at this gentleman's house giving him a water test because he wanted to go ahead and put in a filter. So I had told him after we were sitting there talking to him that, hey man, if you had a water filter here, you wouldn't have got no rust in your house. It would have caught all the sediment. It would have caught all the rust that now is causing problems. And I just wanted to touch on that a little bit because the big bub in Margate Facebook this week has been some class action lawsuit. I'll run some grok by you. I actually looked it up on online, that they had a high PFAs come out in January, and then there's some type of lawsuit, whatever. If I'm a homeowner, if I'm who I am, Chuck Barron, I have a filter at my house. We all know that the water is being treated, and I deal with 99% city water. So I'm going to protect myself, my family, my plumbing with a filter, hands down. It changes everything in your water. It's really good for you. With the technology and the information online for us biohackers trying to extend our fourth quarter, water is a real problem. Now, I know we work with the cities, doing a lot of work with all these communities, but they got to do their job to treat the water and make it safe. But we can go next level and make it even safer for our intake, for our appliances, for our plumbing, the taste, the smell, your hair, your skin, the whole bit. And with all this stuff going on, they're coming down the streets in the next year to 3 years, replacing all these water mains. And if you don't have a filter, there's a good shot that when they do this test, check that, when they do this replacements, that you're going to get some brown water, some dirt movement, and they're not going to be able to control it. They'll try, but, you know, it's best to protect your house at your level on your time. Another great thing with having filtered water, you can have a whole house, you can really get down and dirty, do a reverse osmosis at your kitchen sink, which removes 99% of all contaminants, that you can get rid of the bottled water. You don't need to go buy cases of water or have water delivered, have an outside service. If you add up the money that you spend on water, going to the grocery store, especially if you go to Castle's, you go in there, buy a couple cases of water, that you're going to go buy it, pick it up, labor intense, and you count that water for a year, you bought yourself a few water filters already. When you filter your water on a whole house level or at the reverse osmosis level, you remove all the chlorines and the chloramines that come into that's treating your water. And who wants to be that? Who wants to drink that water? Who wants to shower in that water? I don't. If you want to clean up your water, you can filter it a few different ways. We're doing heavy filter work around here. It's a great thing, especially for trying to take care of the family, your house, your children, and it's convenient. There's no hands down convenient not to even go to the store for water. Not to mention all your appliances and all this fancy equipment you got in your houses, your tanklesses, your high-end boilers, your washer and dryers. They're all smart. They're all high-end, the dishwashers, everything you got going on, your ice makers. Yeah, they have a little filter in them in the fridge, but there's nothing like a whole house. Bam, hit it with a reverse. And then if you have a filter in your refrigerator, that thing's barely working. You won't have to change it as much. So you're getting 3 layers of filtered water and a peace of mind that you'll be very appreciative of. The peace of mind that you get with a filter is going to go into my next subject. Peace of mind with hiring a professional. Peace of mind right now, I'm thinking about a couple things. Filtered water, and then also professional contractors, pros versus Joes. This guy happened to be, I don't know who he is, I don't even know what company he is, but he must be a decent company because he's back trying to fix whatever his plumber did. And it happens, like I said, you turn the water on too fast, you could shuffle up some debris. He's over there trying to fix a problem, which credit to him is a good deed. But we're out here all week long, and I just want to talk to you about why you should hire pro contractors versus Joes. Now, number one, I think of the knowledge that we possess, that we've trained on over and over and over again over the years. That comes with a value. When we come in your house, we know what we're talking about. We can give you the right diagnosis, the proper diagnosis. We're not going to go down a rabbit hole to change a bunch of stuff to hopefully get to the problem. We're going to take our time, we're going to diagnose, and we're going to give you a price up front. That's what pros do. Now, we also come with the knowledge of the code. You're going to see some shots in what we got going on out here in the world, locally in the Atlantic City area, that this stuff is a waste of money, a waste of your time, and it's going to cost you double to fix. Now, I know sometimes you get jammed up and you want to cut corners. There's certain times to cut corners and there's certain times to not. When you have heaters that could give you carbon monoxide, that's a problem. And that's the stuff that we're seeing out here. Improperly heaters put in, brand new bathrooms put in with the old plumbing in the floors that don't even drain. If you try to call us, we're going to come out, we're going to handle our warranty with you, okay? We're going to be accountable for what we did for you. Are the Joes going to be accountable? You really have to consider what you're doing, and do you want to take that chance? A peace of mind that's saying, hey, man, we've been here 32 years. The local boy's been here. I'm going to just name some of them right now. Out of Brigantine, Ryan Cook, Mr. Moore, Mr. Warner, and Margate, Christione, Jenkins. All these guys are professional contractors. And I know a bunch of you guys out there too, if I didn't mention you, it's all good, that we know we're doing our thing. We all talk. We all know who is doing the right thing, okay? It takes a lot to run a company and do it right, and we're trying to do it amongst the Joes out there. Their price is really cheap for a reason. They got no liability insurance. They got no workman's comp. If they have a failure in your house, who's going to pay for it? In the long run, You will save money and time if you hire a professional. And I ain't talking just plumbing. I'm talking carpentry, electrical, painters, right down to the kitchen cabinet makers, stone top guys. I've seen more jobs. Matter of fact, we just ran into a job on a Friday at 4 o'clock where they hired some company. They came in with stone tops and all new cabinets. They wouldn't even fit. Stone tops, too long. Backsplashes, too high. And to boot, the lady had bought single hole faucets. She had they drilled 8-inch centers, which meant she had to go buy faucets again in the 12 o'clock hour. So when it comes to hiring a professional versus a Joe, the planning is key. When you plan a job properly, it will come together for you. And of course, there's always going to be a headache. It's how you handle the audible. What can we do? We see the problem coming down the road. Let's address it. Let's do it now. Let's fix it now. Let's do it right. That's what we try to do. And you should too as a homeowner. Can be costly for sure. We've done some jobs recently where renos, all the pipes were in the crawl space. Just like the job we did yesterday, renoed, old water main. Now, we all know they're coming through doing them, but at what expense should you wait? That's where the filter comes in. It can protect your home. Not to mention the quality of workmanship. We're going to come in, we're going to protect all your stuff, floors, counters, and just take care of your home as if it was ours. It's just something that we do naturally. And I'm not saying the handymen don't do that, but you get what you pay for, okay? I'm just saying. We have to go to a lot of courses to maintain our licenses. Our insurances are expensive. Our labor is expensive. Just to walk out the door is an expense, okay? And I'm just trying to pass on the knowledge of saying, hey, we're here as pros. This is what we got to do, and you're going to be very satisfied in the end. And I'll tell you, the peace of mind of knowing, I'll just give you an example that I do. I got a beach buggy, you know, I surf and I do all this stuff. I got my Denali, my cream puff. That thing's a 2002, 23 years old. I know the guy across the street, Mr. B, is going to take care of me every time I go there. I don't even worry about it. I drop it off. I know he's going to do it right. And if I have a safety issue with my car, he will let me know. So it's not just plumbers, electricians, HVAC. It's everywhere you go. Your favorite pizza place. I love pizza, right? You're going to get a good pie every time you go someplace. I love Prima Pizza when I'm in Brigantine. Check that. I love McHugh's Pizza in Brigantine. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, this is what we're doing. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you learn something, or just not learn, but maybe understand where we're coming from. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to hit us up in the DMs on all the platforms. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Pass it on to your friends. We're trying to get some things done here, especially about that water filter stuff, man. It's coming, and you know, we went through a phase where bottled water came in. Now the plastic problem, right? Everybody, you can't you can't drink bottled water because of all the microplastics. Well, it's a real problem. The knowledge is out there. Just look at the studies, look online, look at chat, look at Grok, look at Perplexity, look at all the info out there. You're going to be gold, and you're going to be like, you know what? I got to do something here. So with that, appreciate you, and have a great day, and we'll see you at the next one, folks. With Chuck Barron.